Today, we're doing an objective technical review of BricsCAD V26. Let's get right into it. So, you're using AutoCAD out of habit? V26 aims to change that, but is it actually worth switching?
Okay, let's cut through the marketing. What is genuinely new in this version? Some of these are long-awaited features. Others, well, they're more like cosmetic improvements. Let's dig in.
The big story is dynamic block editing. But here's the catch, it's not available in the United States. Now this is interesting. The Drawing Health tool is designed to clean up and repair corrupt DWG files. The UI gets a refresh with a new view cube and a much smarter command preview system. So the real question is, who are these updates actually for? Let's break it down. For architects and BIM managers, the value is high. Drawing Health and the new civil tools are significant. 2D designers see medium value. Dynamic blocks are great, but again, only if you're outside the US. For mechanical engineers, the value is pretty low this time. There are very few dedicated new tools here. All right, how does V26 actually compare to the competition now?
BricsCAD is closing the functional gap with AutoCAD while still offering a perpetual license option.
And it's not just about AutoCAD. BricsCAD also competes with platforms like ZWCAD and Ars Commander. But improvement doesn't mean perfection. We need to be honest about the remaining limitations.
First, the plugin ecosystem. While it's growing, it is still significantly smaller than AutoCAD's.
And let's be blunt, the US patent restriction on dynamic blocks is a deal breaker for many.
And finally, never underestimate the learning curve. AutoCAD muscle memory is real and takes time to retrain. So, after all that, what's the verdict? Is it time to make the switch? The choice really depends on your workflow. V26 is a major step, but it isn't the right one for everyone. So, what do you think? Which feature matters to you? Share your real-world experience in the comments below.
That's all. Thank you for watching. Even more useful content in my other videos. Subscribe, like it, and share this video with at least 3 others. Follow my news on social networks. See you in my new videos.